Hey guys, it's Jason with Russian with Jason, and if you're new to the channel, we're here on LingQ.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and we're going to go ahead and continue with yesterday's lesson, and we're going to just review that really quickly. So you just want to go to Guided Courses, Beginner 1, and then click on Greetings and Goodbyes. And as you can see, the last one we finished here, it looks like was 5. So let's go ahead and click on this, and let's just do a quick review, and we'll get started. So I want to hit play, pause it really quickly, and then you want to hit this show synchronized text button, and let's get to it.
Привет, меня зовут Костя. Извините. Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно.
All right, so the synchronized text isn't working very well for this conversation, but we have hello, my name's this name here. Sorry, or excuse me. Repeat, please, slowly. It's slowly, so repeat that more slowly, please. Let's see if we can get a translation. Okay, for some reason Google Translate isn't working for me. There, please repeat it slowly, okay?
Привет. Меня зовут Костя. Меня зовут Алина. Приятно познакомиться.
All right, so she repeats the same thing more slowly. Hello, my name is this. Oh, my name is this. Nice to meet you.
Вы говорите по-русски? Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко.
Do you speak Russian? Yeah, I speak Russian, but a little bit. I believe this is what that is, but a little, okay?
Вы очень хорошо говорите по-русски. Спасибо.
And
Привет, меня зовут Костя.
Oh, and then the other girl says, oh, you speak Russian very well. We have you very well speak Russian, and then thank you. All right, so let's go back to the normal view. Hit this, and it's marked as complete, and we'll go to lesson 6 today. So we're going to open that. We're going to try and get a lot more listening in. So I'm going to hit spacebar, just to play and pause, and hit show synchronized text, and then hopefully this will synchronize better. Let's just listen through this one or two times here.
Это твоя подруга? Да, это моя подруга. Как ее зовут? Ее зовут Маша. Это твой друг? Да, это мой друг. Как его зовут? Его зовут Петр. Это его книга? Нет, это моя книга. Я думал, что это твоя книга. Здесь много книг. Чьи они? Все эти книги мои и моей сестры. Это наши книги.
All right, so I understood a little bit, and that's just because of previous experience with Ukrainian, but it's talking about like, is this your friend, and is this his book, and that kind of thing, and maybe I got 60% of that, but let's go through this line by line.
Это твоя подруга?
All right, so let's translate this. This means girlfriend, friend, so I'm pretty sure it means female friend. I'm not actually positive about that, but that's kind of the context I've seen it in. It could be, is it your girlfriend, right? So how does Google translate this? Is it your girlfriend, okay?
Да, это моя подруга.
So it'd be like, is this your girlfriend, right? All right. Yes, this is my friend, okay. So they say friend this time, but like, is it your girlfriend? Is this your girlfriend? Okay. So I think I have two contexts there.
Как ее зовут?
What is her name? Okay, remember we had what is your name, and then they just changed this part because it's her, right?
Ее зовут Маша.
Her name is this. And before we had this here, but we just changed this for my. We had that in the past. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, I don't say anything in Russian. I think it's important to get a native speaker's pronunciation in your head as much as possible, as opposed to a foreign one.
Это твой друг?
Is this your friend? Okay. Now, could this mean boyfriend? Mate, lover. Okay, possibly. It looks like it has multiple definitions. Let's keep going.
Да, Это мой друг.
All right, so it looks like, yes, this is my friend. You know what? This is really confusing me. So let's just do a Google search for there really quickly. How to say girlfriend in Russian. Okay. The word in Russian is, we'll find out as girlfriend, but there is a word in Russian that you will find translated as girlfriend, but it just the feminine equivalent of this word, a male friend. Okay, let's take a look at this. A male friend. Here we go. I see. Okay, so this just means female friend, it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so we'll just assume female friend. We know it's at least a female friend right now, so at least we got that figured out.
Как его зовут?
Okay, so we were at, is this your friend? Yes, this is my friend. What's his name? So we have her name here with these two E's and the dots, the umlaut, and then what's his friend? What's his name?
Его зовут Петр.
I'm assuming this is Peter, right? Yeah. So his name is Peter, right? So we have her name is, his name is, so this is like name or is called, and this changes based on his or her, okay?
Это его книга?
Is this his book? This is his book, or is this his book? Yeah, okay, so this is book here. Let's rewind that so we can hear the word book again, but it's very similar in Ukrainian.
Это его книга?
So that's kind of why I knew the word book there.
Нет, это моя книга.
No, this is my book, right? So you're starting to get, like, even if you don't remember all of these prepositions or these, these possessive words here, and you don't remember, like, the endings for now, that's okay, because you get this first part here, M-O, and you realize, oh, that's my. You don't really have to think about it more than that. Of course, you want to be grammatically correct, but that'll come in time.
Я думал, что это твоя книга.
I think this means I thought. Yes. Wow, I'm doing well. This is a little bit similar in Ukrainian, but I just kind of guessed it based on context, right? I thought that this was your book. I thought it was your book. So wait. So this conversation is kind of weird. Is this his book? No, it's my book. Oh, I thought it was your book. Okay, it just kind of makes it sound like the person is just saying, oh, well, I'm not going to have her prove me wrong, so I'm going to be right.
Здесь много книг.
Okay, I'm not really sure what this one is. There are many books here. Okay, I'm guessing this is here. Yeah, this is many. A lot of. Okay, let's rewind that. This is new for me.
Я думал, что это твоя книга. Здесь много книг.
Okay.
Чьи они?
I'm not sure what this one means. Whose are they? Oh, all the books there. Okay.
Все эти книги мои и моей сестры.
Okay, all these books are mine and my sister's, I'm pretty sure. So we have the MO, so we just know it's like mine, right? All these books are mine and my sister's. Okay, perfect. Let's listen to that one more time. Oh, this is whose are they, right? So I kind of want to hear this again. Whose are they?
Здесь много книг.
A lot of books here. Whose are they?
Все эти книги мои и моей сестры.
Okay.
Это наши книги.
These are your books? Our books. Okay, so it's not even like there's a conversation here. I feel like they're just saying sentences. Our books, okay. And the thing is, you have this, which means books, and then you have this, which means book. And then from my understanding, if you add something like this backwards N here, it means plural. And then I guess here it is too, but when you have this A here, at least in this particular word, it's just singular, it's a book. So keep that in mind. I didn't learn this specifically, I just did a lot of repetition in the past, and that's kind of how it came to my mind that, oh, this one's plural and this one's singular. You'll get used to it as you see it more, so don't stress too much about it if you don't remember which one's plural or not. And Russian is confusing because in this case it's plural, and in this case it's plural, but they're two different words. So when do you use it? And then you have the singular one here. So the endings, the cases in these Slavic languages is a little bit complicated. That's okay, just get a lot of repetition and you'll soon find it to be natural. But let's listen to this conversation one more time slowly.
Это твоя подруга?
Is this your friend? And more specifically, a female friend.
Да, это моя подруга.
Yes, this is my friend.
Как ее зовут?
What is her name?
Ее зовут Маша.
Her name is this.
Это твой друг?
Is this your friend? Male friend, I believe. Or I think this might mean friend in general. It could be male or female. I'm not really sure. I'll have to confirm that later.
Да, это мой друг.
Yes, this is my friend.
Как его зовут?
What's his name?
Его зовут Петр.
His name is Peter.
Это его книга?
Is this his book?
Нет, это моя книга.
No, this is my book.
Я думал, что это твоя книга.
I thought that this is your book.
Здесь много книг.
Okay, here, a lot of books. There are a lot of books here.
Чьи они?
Whose, so this must mean whose, they, whose are they? They just don't really say are.
Все эти книги.
Okay, this is interesting. So I realize that this is like singular, like this, and these are these, right? So it has the backwards N. That's why I thought, so you'll realize that when it's plural, usually you'll have this backward N. It doesn't look like in all cases, right? Like in this case, there isn't that. And that's why this is like these. When it's not, it's going to be something different. Let's rewind that a little bit.
Все эти книги мои и моей сестры.
So all these books are mine and my sister. So this must mean and, right? Okay. My sisters. This is plural too. Okay. Then you have another backwards N. So then you could assume that this might be plural as well. So you just kind of recognize patterns as you go along, right?
Это наши книги.
So these
Это твоя подруга?
These are our books, right? I assume this would change too if this were singular. So that's the thing about Russian. Depending on the words around it and the context, the words may change a little bit, like the endings and things like that. So let's do one quick listen all through, and then we'll call it a wrap.
Это твоя подруга? Да, это моя подруга. Как ее зовут? Ее зовут Маша. Это твой друг? Да, это мой друг. Как его зовут? Его зовут Петр. Это его книга? Нет, это моя книга. Я думал, что это твоя книга. Здесь много книг. Чьи они? Все эти книги мои и моей сестры. Это наши книги.
All right, we're just about out of time. So I'm going to close the synchronized text. I'm going to right click on the page on this white spot, hit inspect, do a search. So Command F on a Mac, Control F on a PC, type in MP3, enter, and then you click this and you can download the audio file of the conversation we just listened to, and you can save that to your phone. And while you're walking around, I highly suggest listening to that, or while you're in an apartment, get some passive listening and probably just pick up a few things here and there. Anyways, this is Russian with Jason. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me, it motivates me to make more videos, and it helps the YouTube algorithm as well. Anyways, if you have any comments or questions about this lesson, or you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next day. And I think I forgot to mention that today was day 6, if I'm not mistaken.